According to Washington Post, the world is about to install 700 million air conditioners. In 18th century, Benjamin Franklin and his associate John Hadley attempted air cooling with mercury thermometers. The first electric air conditioner developed by Lewis Carrier, who was an engineer from Cornell University. Air conditioners have had a tremendous impact on human history. We can use it anytime, anywhere. For example, cinemas, hotels, department stores, restaurants, and many other places. However, air conditioner has many problems. To begin with, when we use air conditioner, we can see fuel gas, which can destroy ozone layer. When ozone layer is destroyed, plants will difficult to grow, and people and animals will suffer from skin disease. Also, air conditioner consume a huge amount of electricity. Excessive use of electricity creates serious environmental problems. In addition, air conditioner accelerate global warming. Air conditioner emits carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide accounts for the most part of the greenhouse gases, which are the main causes of global warming. As global warming gets worse, the surface temperature of Earth rises, we will use air conditioner more than before. This will result in more carbon dioxide emission and more global warming. How can we solve this problem? First, we can use air circulator. It has small it can absorb the surrounding air and circulate air to maximize cold. Second, we can use tower fan. It has more volume and its shape allows 360 degrees of rotation, which allows the air send every side. These products can replace air conditioner. I hope that people will realize the seriousness of environmental problem. Okay, thank you.